Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading po ito for Libra. Ano po? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Ayan, take only what resonates, guys. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, ano? Kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede kang magpa-personal reading, Jane Tarot Trader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook or sa TikTok, ano. And then sa kanya ka na lang mag-message kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading. Hindi po ako nagpa-personal reading. And yan. Let's start. This is for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. What do we have here for the sign of Libra? For the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libra. One last shuffle. Pwede nyo ako i-check sa TikTok, guys. Unicorn Princess Tarot. Yan yung TikTok ko. May mga, may TikTok shop po ako. Pwede nyo check yung mga available ko doon. Evil Eyes, Crystal Bracelet, etc. Marami pong makikita kayo doon. So, let's start. This is for Libra. General love reading, guys. Dito sa card na ito, sa blue card, hindi ako magbabasa ng reversal ha. Pero dun sa isang card na gagamitin ko for your person, gagamitan ko yun ng reversal. Kasi may reversal talaga yung card na yun. And also, yeah, alam na yun ng ibang dati nang nanonood sa akin. Babasahin ko lang yung reversal pag naramdaman ko yung energy ng pang-reversal doon. Okay? 3 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles. Oh, wow. This is actually increase pagdating sa material na bagay. Okay? Especially the 8 of Pentacles is here. This is you. Alam mo, hardworking kang tao eh. Yung talagang ipupursige mo. Lalo na yung iba napapabayaan na nga yung health, ano, talagang pagka may naisipan ka, especially with the Fool, this is something na mga bago, na opportunities, bago, na gusto mo subukan, gusto mo itry, regardless, kahit konti lang yung kaalaman mo regarding dito sa bagay na ito, ipupush mo yun. Yung iba ginagastosan pa yun, no? Yung iba some kind of investment or might be a business, na parang pag naramdaman mo yung, ay gusto ko yun, gusto ko itry. And then, itatry mo. And then, I can see you being a hard-working person here. You're making money. No, you're making money. And at the same time, I feel like you love what you are doing right now. No, at yun yung nagbibigay ng success sa'yo. Kaya ka may growth kasi gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. Okay? I can see a lot of friends, family na nakasuporta sa paligid mo. And I feel like they are watching you. They are watching you and they are seeing kung gaano ka kagaling, kaganda sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo ngayon. Kaya sila lalong sumusuporta kasi nakikita nila, uy, ang galing mo, may pinatutunguhan talaga yung mga pinagagawa mo. Sige lang, ituloy mo lang. Yung kahit hindi sila magsalita ng ganon, I feel like they are, let's say, hindi naman nila pinapakita yung pagka-proud nila sa'yo, but they are proud of you. Kung ano yung naging ka, no? Dahil might be, they are really interested sa kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Hindi man nila yung tinatanong sa'yo, but they are interested. Kasi paano mo nagawa yun? Paano mo nalaman yun? Bakit napunta ka sa ganyan? Bakit nalaman mo yun? I feel like it's hidden talents na parang masasabi natin kahit paano napaniwala mo sila or napapaniwala mo sila. Okay? So, who is this person that you are dealing with pagdating sa love? Who is this person that you are dealing with pagdating sa love? Spirit guides, angel guides, for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libras. The sign of love. What is here? for Libra. What are the messages here? Messages, and the main energy to ng person na kakonect mo, Libra, ha? Pero anyway, roles can be reversal. So, kahit sinasabi kong ikaw, pwedeng person mo yon. You do have here the Death card, Queen of Swords in reverse, and the King of Wands upright. You do have here the Seven of Pentacles. I feel like for some of you, I can see two people eh. I don't know if you're dealing with two people or maybe nasisingit-singit dito sa reading na ito yung past. I can sense this past energy here. And nakikita natin, this is someone na might be there's an ending or nag-end na yung sa inyo nitong person na ito. And I feel like nagkakaroon ng growth sa'yo because you have learned how to let go and might be natutunan mo kung paano hayaan na lang itong past na ito. Kaya nagkakaroon ng growth. Hindi mo pinipilit yung sarili mo na i-push or layuan itong past na ito. I don't see you na ginagawa yun. Pero, might be ang concentration mo na lang is yung growth mo sa sarili mo. I'm seeing someone here na continuous, palaging may mga purchase, palaging may mga nare-receive na maybe Shopee, Lazada. I can see someone here who is buying things online na pwedeng may kinalaman sa kanilang career, may kinalaman sa growth nila, maybe para mas mag-improve pa yung iyong talent, or maybe may kinalaman sa negosyo, or something na may mas mag-grow pa. I can see you buying something para mas mag-increase pa yung iyong kaalaman or yung iyong pera. This could be your reading. Well, your person here, sabi ko nga you could be dealing with two people. The other person na nakukuha natin, yeah, we do have here fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. This person might be already successful. Kung hindi man, nakakita tayo dito ng person na gustong maging successful. And I feel like nandun na yung person na ito na parang nararamdaman niya na, no? Na magkakaroon ng success when it comes sa connection ninyong dalawa. And I feel like you are still, or maybe this is a present, no, with the King of Wands. Nararamdaman niya. And lalo na you are already, nagiging successful na talaga. Tuloy-tuloy lang talaga yung success para sa'yo. And then itong taong to, nakikita niya na rin at nararamdaman na rin niya na soon enough, magbubunga talaga kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa ninyong dalawa. With regards to the past person, this person is bitter. Alam mo yun, napaka-bitter niya. Kasi I feel like there's this time na parang ang kailangan niya lang is to communicate with you, pero hindi niya ginawa. Like there's this communication na pinalagpas niya, na might be naging mas iba sana yung pangyayari sa inyong dalawa ngayon. Iba sana yung connection nyo ngayon, hindi sana ganito, hindi sana end ng ganito kung hindi niya pinalagpas itong communication na ito. I feel like there's this energy in the past na meron siyang pinalagpas na komunikasyon sa inyong dalawa, na dapat nakipag-usap siya pero wala siyang ginawa. That's the energy. Tell me more for Libra. Tell me more for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. What do we have here for the sign of Libra? for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you, Spirit guys, angel guides, for the sign of Libra. You do have here the Fool, the Queen of Wands, and the Chariot. Okay. You do have here the Two of Wands. Yeah. Kuha na rin ako ng card sa deck na ito. For the sign of Libra, please. What are the messages for the sign of Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you, Spirit guys, angel guides. Okay. Okay. You do have here the Three of Pentacles, and it is in reverse. The Nine of Wands in reverse, and the Six of Wands in reverse. All of these are in reversal. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Pentacles, and it is in upright. So, nakikita natin dito, itong person in the past is like nagkakaroon ng conflict sa kanyang situation ngayon. So, kung ikaw ay nagkakaroon ng growth, itong person na ito walang ka-growth na nangyayari, no? Bakit? Kasi nagkakaroon ng conflict. So, might be, may kinalaman din yun sa money, may kinalaman sa career, and mga tao sa paligid niya. Hindi nag-work out yung kung ano man yung situation niya ngayon para sa kanya. Hindi masyadong nag-work out. And I feel like with regards to the person, nakakonect mo ngayon, no? There's some kind of delay here. I feel like nakakita tayo ng success sa inyong dalawa pero nagkakaroon ng delay. Yeah, a lot of delay. Might be may mga, I feel like may success sa inyo pero nagde-delay lang ng konti. And why is that so? Pwede may mga plano kayo, may mga gusto kayong bilhin, may mga gusto kayong mangyari pero nagkakaroon ng delay. Bakit nagkakaroon ng delay? Spirit guides, angel guides. You do have here the Five of Swords. And the Ace of Wands. I feel like kaya nagkakaroon ng delay dahil pag nangyari yung point na yon, yung something na gusto nyo simulan is magdudulot siya ng malaking pag-aaway, conflict, and problem sa inyong dalawa. So, kung ano man yung gustong-gusto nyo lang makuha, it's not yet the right time, and might be, hindi pa kayo parehong ready. Hindi nyo pa alam kung paano i-handle yung ganong sitwasyon. For some of you, might be, kung halimbawa gusto nyo maging successful agad-agad, gusto nyo mag-workout kung ano man itong sinimulan ninyo or gusto ninyong simulan, hindi agad siya mangyari-yari kasi hindi pa kayo talaga ready. You feel like you're ready, pero actually hindi pa. Okay, so hintayin mo lang. Hintayin mo lang. Huwag tayong maging masyadong agresibo doon sa mga bagay-bagay. Kumbaga, kung ano man yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, palaguin mo muna, ayusin mo muna. And both of you, kailangan i-work out nyo muna ito. Ayusin nyo muna ito. And then, the new beginning na maaaring gusto ninyo or minamanifest nyo dito is kasi pwede siyang mag-fail, you know, or hindi mag-work out, hindi, you know, magkaroon ng chaos, malaking problema. So, sa ngayon, yeah, there's this Ten of Swords here, so might be pwedeng mag-end agad-agad kung ano man yung mga bagay na gusto nyo simulan. And for example, nabibigyan kita example, if you are currently with a person, with a partner, in a relationship, tapos pwedeng you're manifesting money, you're manifesting maybe gusto nyo magkaroon ng sasakyan, or maybe negosyo, sabihin na natin ganun, and you're planning na gusto nyo ma-achieve ito, pero hindi pa kayo masyadong okay sa kung ano man yung meron sa inyo ngayon. Like maybe you do have business or career, parang kailangan nyo muna itong palaguin muna, ayusin muna. Okay? Kasi pag hindi ka pa tapos dito, tapos may sisimulan ka na naman, or might be, bibili ka ng car, let's say gano'n, maybe hindi pa kayo ready doon sa obligasyon with that. Okay? So, kailangan mo munang ayusin. Pareho ninyo kailangan ayusin mo na kung ano yung pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon. Kasi pwedeng mawala rin kung ano man yung bagay na gusto nyo simulan dahil pwedeng hindi mag-work out. Okay? So, this is the time na kailangan nyo maghintay. Huwag masyadong magmadali. And then, the past person, hindi masyadong nag-work out talaga para sa kanya. Yeah, the Chariot is here. Ikaw itong gustong masyadong magmadali eh. You are the one. Lalo na kung may kinalaman sa business, ikaw yung nakikita natin gustong magmadali. Gustong mag-take ng risk. And sinasabihan sa'yo, wag. Alam mo, hindi man ikaw yung hindi ready dito. Kasi I can see you na you're a risk taker. Ano bang hindi mo kayang gawin? Pero yung might be the person nakakonect mo, katulong mo regarding dito sa bagay na ito is siya yung hindi ready. So, pwede magkaroon ng chaos, problem, drama, etc. So, what will happen in the future for you, Libra? What will happen in the near future for you, Libra? In the near future for the sign of Libra, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. What will happen in the near future for you, Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Libra. In the near future for you, Libra. The Death card is here. Knight of Cups, Wheel of Fortune. The Sun is at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Okay. Nakaka-read ako ng word na hilot. So, I don't know kung ikaw ba ay gusto magpahilot or ikaw ba ay nagpahilot. Or might be may word kang nabasa na something to do with hilot. Or before watching this video, nanood ka na video na may kinalaman sa paghihilot. This could be a reading. Okay, for the sign of Libra, please. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Alam mo, napaka-mature ng reading natin ngayon. Yung energy is very mature. The Emperor, okay. You do have here the Seven of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, Libra. I can see big change sa'yo in the near future. This person, I'm seeing a lot of failure sa kanya. Hindi nag-work out yung kanyang mga nangyayari sa buhay niya ngayon. It's like unti-unti siyang bumabagsak. And this person sees you as an inspiration. And I feel like itong person na to is magte-take actions siya. Mag-a-action siya, pupunta siya sa'yo, lalapit siya sa'yo. And this person is going to end kung ano man yung mga iniisip niya ngayon. At pag-ending na gagawin niya is haharap siya sa'yo. This past person, I can see Aries energy is very immature. Pero I feel like magkakaroon ng malaking pagbabago sa mga actions niya in the future. I'm seeing a child here. Maybe something to do with a child. Scorpio energy is here. So, nakakita tayo ng I can see promises na may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. So, pwedeng itong person na ito will promise something na may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. The present person, for some of you, pagdating doon sa present person, I can see a lot of sabihin na nating manifestation na ginagawa itong person na ito, and I feel like gagawa din siya ng actions para magawa or makuha itong mga bagay na gusto niya, mga material na bagay na gusto niya. So, the present person is focusing sa mga material na bagay. Okay? And I can see an offer coming. Pero, you're focusing sa doing research, improvement sa sarili mo, kung ano pa yung mas mai-improve mo pa. So, nandito yung focus mo. Pagdating din sa past person, I don't feel like may care ka pa or pakialam. It's like, okay, kung dadating ka, kung babalik ka, etc. I'm busy, pero sige, sabihin mo kung yung mga gusto mong sabihin. That kind of energy. So, anyway, you're focusing on development in the near future. I can see you being happy sa ginagawa mo. Interesado. Nandun yung interest mo dito. And I can see victory. Okay. I feel like may someone in the past na babalik pero kawawa yung dating niya. Kasi parang babalik siya kasi siya may kailangan. You know what I mean? Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Hopefully, na-appreciate mo yung aking reading. Mag-comment ka sa baba. And, ma-appreciate ko yung comment ninyo kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin, guys. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. I love you all. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.